Actually, there are 10 mythic animal statues, and the first one, we don't regard it as an animal. He is the tallest priest.
Okay.
Yeah, and he is riding a rooster.
Rooster.
Yeah, some people say it's a phoenix, but
Okay, we are the phoenix.
I think that is rooster.
It looks like a rooster.
Yeah.
It's fine.
More the
Yeah,
rooster.
yeah, he's riding a rooster and he's leading the way, following 10 mythic animal statues. They are dragon, phoenix. The second is phoenix. Yeah, dragon, phoenix, lion, and sea horse, heaven horse, and the following five are all animals from Chinese tales. 牙鱼、孙鹿、蟹指、斗牛天堂 is 10 mythic animals, and they all has their own meanings. Some of them means power, some of them means peaceful, and some of them means also righteousness, and some of them means justice. Yeah, so they have own meanings. At first, they appear because of they have their own application. We can see the hunting range was made by glazed tails, pieces of glazed tails, right? So if there was no reinforcement at the end of the hunting range, then over time the glazed tails will slide down. Yeah, so at first we used a nail to fix the tails, but gradually it evolved into mythic animal statues representing status.